Hi everybody, welcome back, or hello if you're new. I'm Feb, and today it's a step away from crafting, and instead we're going to do an unboxing. So this is from Cauldron Crates, upside down, and it's not their latest subscription box, but instead it's a bunch of sale items from their past subscription boxes that I've purchased. Their next subscription box is going to be the Diadem Crate, which I cannot wait for as a proud Ravenclaw. So in the meantime, they're having a sale on their website. I thought that I'd buy a few things from past boxes that I thought were quite nice and caught my eye, and so let's have a look at them together. The box itself is very well packaged, so I've taken off already the envelope on the front of it, because inside there, the first thing that I bought was this. Okay, it's the Little Hangleton newspaper. How cool is that? The Gazette, Murder at Riddle House. There's an advert for Fry's chocolate cream up there. Oh, this is just lovely. I love it. Absolutely think it's brilliant, and I cannot wait to put this somewhere. I have no idea where I'm going to put it yet, but I will find a spot. And it's also been, it's almost as if somebody's had this and they've written their little notes on it. So that is cool. That is a nice thing. And also there was a lovely little note from the owner just to say thank you. So a thank you to her. Okay, moving on to the actual box. Hey, the box is beautifully packaged with these little purple things and some tissue paper, and there are only a few items in here which I've purchased, so let me show you these. Okay, the first two things are pins. I don't collect very many pins, but those that I do, I like to make sure that they're quite special now, you know, because otherwise I end up buying a load of rubbish that I don't really appreciate. So although it often means spending more, I appreciate them more, you know what I mean? So the first one is this, and look at that. That is a thing of beauty right there. It's a sword, it's the phoenix, it's the ashes on a shield. The whole thing is wonderful, and it's about 3 inches big. So behind me, I've got two boards. The green one is sort of general pins. The one below are my special ones. If you ever want to know what they are, you want to see them, then let me know. And then the second one is this, and it's the vault door. Oh my goodness, this is amazing. It's on hinges, so it opens up like this. And we have the vault door, and then all our goodies from inside the vault. Isn't that special? And obviously they're both double clasped because they are so large, and this one might be my favorite pin I've ever seen. I love it. My goodness, I love that so much. All right then, and it came in this really pretty little purple bag. Okay, moving on. The next thing is a little free gift of some Bertie Bott's every flavour beans. So you watch me get the vomit one, but they're not knockoffs, they're the real deal. I didn't realise how small these boxes are. They are, I mean, they're very small, aren't they? Probably because they do have so many evil flavours inside that you really don't want a big box. But yeah, I happen to have a big metal tin that these can go in, so that's probably where they'll end up if I don't eat them first. So thank you so much to Cauldron Crate for sending that. The next thing that I ordered was a piece of jewellery, which I don't normally buy because, you know, I have particular things that I really like, and a lot of the Wizarding World jewellery isn't really my cup of tea, but this really is. And this is Xenophilius Lovegood's necklace. There's the Deathly Hallows. Isn't that beautiful? Really gorgeous. It's got a nice chain on it. So yeah, I am really thrilled to have that. And I will be swapping out my Herbology Leaping Toadstool for this one very soon. All right, moving on. Finally, the last thing that I purchased in the sale is a box, and inside the box is another Horcrux. So this box, I'll just show you the outside. Check it out. It's got my initials on. If you can guess my middle name, then it's 10 points to your house. And this is the Hufflepuff cup. And look how beautifully presented that is. Isn't that amazing? So you can choose which choice of velvet you want. You don't have to have the box personalized either, by the way. I just chose to. but you can have blue, and there were various other colour velvets. Sorry, Ravenclaw, but green is my favourite colour. I should have been a Slytherin, but there we are. So here's the cup. After it's been destroyed by the basilisk fang. Isn't that so cool? And it's heavy as well. It's a proper resin, and I think that is gorgeous. And now I need to find somewhere to put it in this room, God knows where. It's in a constant state of flux, this room. So yeah, that is my little mini haul. My God, I thought I'd broken the glass then. Luckily I did not, but it was a close thing. Okay, so just maybe exercise a bit of caution with it. Okay then, so yeah, that covers just about everything. I should be back again with the diadem crate, which I'm so looking forward to, hopefully in the next couple of weeks. That's when the owner anticipates that it's going to be sent out, so you'll find a very excited me when it comes to opening that, because obviously no one's got the faintest idea what's going to be in there. And so yeah, that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed the haul. Do let me know what was your favourite thing. Have you purchased from Cauldron Crate before? And I will see you soon for the next one. Take care and stay safe, everybody.